study sample size. Is it important or not? Or another question, how do you compute your study sample size? And maybe you ask this question from me. Then I provide some factors, determinants of study sample size. Then if you are interested, follow me. First factor is type 1 error or alpha, usually set as 5%. Second, type 2 error or beta, usually set as 10% or 20%. Third is very important, specific aim or hypothesis. Studies have more than one specific aims, but to compute sample size, you have to select the most important specific aims in your study and compute sample size based on these selected specific aims. Fourth, study population. What's that? Some of studies have finite populations and a little study have infinite populations. Then, in a study with finite population, you have to use a correction, finite population corrections. And fifth, statistical indices. In computations of sample size, sometimes we need to extract the odds ratio, relative risk, mean, standard deviation, and some another indices. It's related to your sample size formula. And sixth, type of study. Would you like to run a retrospective or prospective study, cohort or case control study, longitudinal or clinical trial study? But seventh, allocation rate or K. What's that? For example, in a case control study, you want to have for every case 1 or 2 or 3 controls. You have to set no and 8% of attrition or dropout or non-responses, especially in longitudinal studies. Because when we had longitudinal study, some of patients, some of individuals lost to follow or drop out or non-responses. Then we have to set now to your base sample size. For example, if your base sample size equal to 100 and we set 20% attrition or dropouts, 100 plus 20% of base sample size equal to 120, not 100. Then we have to use 120 individuals in my study. Okay, I'm Dr. Shahmirzalou, PhD in biostatistics, a freelancer and an analyzer. Then, if you are interested to similar videos or short videos, please subscribe on my YouTube channels, especially comment your ideas, and if you want, like our tutorials. Until the next video, goodbye.